What is that?
Supply.
Yes, that's good. And what is this one? The other one. What is that?
Kopet.
Scissor.
Sisoy. Kopet.
Gopet. What happened? You're here. Hey,
Wait.
why? Where are you going? May bisita na naman ako English this morning, guys. Hala, ay. Maadjong buntag daan ninyong tanan. For today's video, may bisita na naman ako Inglesera, yung aming kapitbahay. Inaanak ng aking anak na babae. What?
She is done.
Why?
Kasi umabos sa akin eh.
Why? Come inside.
Bakit she is ko na?
Come here. Ethan. Come here. What is this one? Show me another book. How many books you have?
3.
Only 3?
Yes. Kasi si Ate Yani 3 din.
Okay.
Tapos ako meron din. Happy cookies.
Cookie.
This is meron cookies red.
Red.
This is mine. This is mine.
And how about this one? How did you put this one? What did you put?
This is mine. This is mine.
Do you know what is this one?
This is a zebra.
Oh, why you broke that one? Don't broke it.
Wait.
Oh, don't throw. Put it here back. Put here back.
This is soap.
And this one, what is this? Hey, yeah.
Make a day. Kumikembot yung ate patag. Ganun.
Kumikembat? Wow. And you followed here? How kimbot ati potat?
Yes.
Show me how. Show me how kimbot ati potat. See? Yeah, it's dirty. It's dirty. Come here.
Look at my face.
Where's your mama?
Doon sa Mama B.
Huh?
Sa Mama B.
Mama B. And how about Noah? Where's Noah?
Doon sa Mama B din.
Before you going outside, you need to comb your hair.
Nah.
You look like aswang.
Mama B.
You know aswang?
Mama B.
Huh?
Mama B. Mama B. Mama B.
Mama B.
Mama ba? Mama is the.
Parang gusto ko na magkaapo babae.
Mama is the.
Huh?
Mama is the.
Another one.
Kamote.
Kamote. What is this?
Tuni.
I thought this is
My little pommy.
Wait.
My little pommy. La 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 la. My little pommy.
Lalapomi.
Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty.
Don't you want make a want you bestie?
Nandito.
Bukaka.
Ayan mo muna sa labas yan. Anak, hindi pa yan ano.
May bato sa labas.
Nalaglag. May ano naman yan sa bibig eh. Oh. Dali.
This is mine. My facing bed.
Where?
Tagalin ka na nga naman.
There's another one. Doc Amara. See? Another one.
My facing bed.
Huwag mo nang asarin kasi.
Facing bed.
Up. Here one.
Facing bed.
Stand up here.
Hi!
Facing bed.
Hi!
Ah.
Apa?
Stay.
Ay,
It's dirty. Yeah.
hi!
Fancy bench.
Ano pwede?
Fancy bench.
Ang lalabas ng gate.
Fancy bench.
Ayan mo lang kasi lalabas. May ano naman yung bibig niyan. Oh. Hindi yan makakagag... Hindi naman
Ano
nangang...
yan ang aso?
Ha? Hindi yan. Dala mo na isang hotdog yan.
Me, 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 me. Nya, nya, nya.
What is that?
Nya, nya, nya.
What is this one?
Wait.
Grapes? Wow.
And a spinach.
Yeah? Hmm.
This is
Okay, just put inside your bag and
ten.
you need to go home now. Gusto na inside now. Wala ba tong kalaro dun sa labas?
Meron si Duday.
Ha?
Si Duday.
Anong duday?
And a bee.
Si Yani.
You like bread?
Yes.
Ha? You like bread?
Yeah.
Lagyan mo nga itong ng tinapay sa plastic.
Lo, may hawak ako.
Bitawan mo muna yan. Madali lang nga lang hulihin yan kasi may hotdog dyan sa aso. Ibaba mo muna yung cellphone mo kasi.
Yun na. Kinakaulat ang ating.
May plastic doon, yung sa baon mo. Lagyan mo siya ng plastic. Ihatid mo na to doon at ano to ni iton. Don't bite that one. It's dirty. Just put inside into your bag and you need to go home because I started my work, okay?
Yes.
Okay, stand up. And then we play again later, okay? After my work, okay?
Hindi, walang later. Wala nang later.
Just close.
Wala nang later.
And I give you this one. Huwag mo ilagay.
Wala nang later.
This one, I bake nang-nang. Okay? Yes. Oh, just give also Noah and Mama, okay? Put inside.
Kulang yun.
Okay na yan.
Si Amara, kalahati
Just
lang
close it. Close your bag.
Sige. Go.
And the Dora is going home. Okay, Dora?
Go.
Bye-bye, Dora. Dora the Explorer. Put ilagay mo sa likod. Ayusin mo, Tiyo. Bye-bye, Dora. See, bye-bye, Nang-Nang.
Bye-bye.
See you later, baby.
See you.
I'll give Mama and Noah the bread, okay?
Oh.
Diyos ko, Rode. Silingan ako. Englisher.
Please.
Pero okay na rin yun. At least, kasi siya, nasanay na yung na tinaglis namin.
Ay!
Para naman na, nag-iisang babae kasi yun. Tsaka, inaanak siya ng anak kong babae. Parang inaanak ko, parang anak ko na din.